In today's fast-paced world, staying connected while on the road is more important than ever. For BMW enthusiasts with models from the 2009 to 01 to N&O, E91, E92, and E93 series, integrating the latest technology can significantly elevate your driving experience. Enter the Wireless Apple CarPlay Module available on Aliexpress, designed specifically to seamlessly integrate into your BMW CIC system and bring a host of modern features right to your fingertips. The module's mirror linking capability allows you to mirror your smartphone screen onto your BMW's display. This feature not only expands your access to apps and functionalities but also provides a familiar interface that seamlessly integrates with your driving experience. Safety is paramount while driving, which is why the Wireless Apple CarPlay Module incorporates your voice control. By simply using your voice, you can make calls, dictate messages, or control music playback without taking your hands off the wheel, ensuring a focused and safe driving experience. Stay connected on the go with hands-free calling. The module enables you to make and receive calls effortlessly, allowing you to stay in touch with friends, family, or colleagues while keeping your attention on the road ahead. Experience entertainment in high definition with AirPlay for iOS devices or Android mirror linking for Android devices. Stream and mirror HD videos directly onto your BMW's display, transforming your card into a mobile entertainment center. The Wireless Apple CarPlay Module for BMW CIC 3 Series E90, E91, E92, and E93 models from Aliexpress represents a significant upgrade in automotive technology. Whether it's for navigation, entertainment, or communication, this module ensures that your BMW remains at the forefront of innovation, providing a seamless blend of convenience, safety, and enjoyment during every drive.